In today's episode, I'm participating in a fall collaboration. So if you want to know more about it, you know what to do. Stick around. Today's episode is a sponsored video and it's sponsored by Saker. Saker. It's a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Now, it's a 3-in-1 multifunctional mini vacuum cleaner. It is equipped with various accessories that can meet and blow vacuuming and pumping a variety of scenarios for use. Not only can you clean hard to clean surfaces, you can also clean computer keyboards and mainframes, but you can also clean large stains on sofa seats and other areas. Now, this vacuum cleaner uses a Type-C data cable charging, and a green indicator on the data cable can remind you that it's time to power as the power has been fully charged. Now, this little vacuum cleaner comes with many accessories, and I like that it's so small. It helps with cleaning out crumbs out of drawers. That's what I've used it for. And also here. Now, here are all the accessories that come with it. It also comes with a second filter, which I really like. It has all these little pieces where you can clean out any corners and crevices of everything. I really, really like that. It also has this bag that comes with it for you to store your items in. Now, I moved everything and I vacuumed here in this area here to show you that it gets the little corners. Now, if you can see the little crumbs or dust or dirt in here, in this little niche here, and I cleaned it up rather quickly with this. I've also used it in drawers. If I have a discount link, it will be down below. Also, they are an Amazon-based company, and their information will be down below as well. So, when you check them out, just let them know Stephanie sent you. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on the Budget, and today I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration, and this collaboration is entitled the Fall Kitchen Vignette Collaboration, and it is hosted by Clarissa at A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa, with O Taste and See, Cooking and Entertainment with Renee. Now I'll have the link to their channels listed down below and the playlist when it becomes available. Now all they asked us to do was decorate a vignette for fall. So I'm going to stop talking and let you see how mine turns out. You know how we do. We start off with something and we start taking things off and moving things away because it doesn't look right in our head. It doesn't look like what we want it to look like. So we keep fidgeting until, okay, I might as well. Let me take it apart and start all over again. So that's what I did. Taking it apart, and let's try it again. Okay, so I think I'm happy with this one. Y'all know how we see stuff in our head and it's not exactly right, but everything on here I already had in my stash except for that tile. Now the orange candles, they came from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm really liking that tile. It looks so cute with the pumpkins on it. I thought it would be perfect for this setting. I'm really liking how this vignette turned out. I am too happy with it. You know I'm a copper girl, so you know it had to be some copper in there somewhere. Now the tile itself came from General Dollar. It was 2 in a pack for $3. The orange candles, again, the orange candles came from the Dollar Tree. And those 2 pumpkins, they came from the Dollar Tree years ago. The lamb's ear garland, it came from Hobby Lobby. They had a clearance one time and I purchased it. The 2 wire pumpkins, it's a set of 3, but they were thrifted. And I've had those for years. I've been going back and forth about painting them black. And this pitcher, copper pitcher, it was thrifted as well. And the little tray they're sitting on is like a cutting board. They came from Target Dollar Spot way back before I moved into this home. Now I really like how it turned out. I think it came out really cute and is able to move it on this little tray it's on, so it's in a good spot. So let me know what you think about my vignette down below. You know I love reading your comments, and don't forget to check out the other participants in this collaboration. And I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.